Good morning. I welcome each one of you, Honorable Justice Pratibha Singh, Mr. Agarwal, and my co-panelists, ladies and gentlemen. We were instructed to speak only for 2 minutes, so I will squeeze just 3 thoughts in those 2 minutes. The first, from the last GIPC conference, India has done exceedingly well in intellectual property. And I just give one-line examples, which you will be surprised to note, all centered around our learned chief guest, Justice Pratibha Singh. First and foremost, we had a new case called the Ferrer-Elani case recently, which protected software patents and has opened up an entire new world for us. You must read that case, decided by Justice Singh. Second, there was better protection of brand owners by narrowing the scope of intermediary under Section 79 of the Information Technology Act in the Christian Louboutin and the Andre decisions of the Delhi High Court, also Justice Pratibha Singh. Third, faster disposal of lawsuits under the Commercial Courts Act, not only under the Commercial Courts Act, which momentum has been building up since 2016, but interestingly, post-grant propositions, which suffered from late filings of evidence, extensions, etc. The rules were interpreted in the pharmacyclics case, and my Lord Justice Pratibha Singh again said that this cannot be done and gave a very narrow interpretation to those rules, cutting short and speeding up post-grant propositions in a big way. Stricter punishment to wrongdoers, for example, in the G.E. Whatman case and the Phillips cases, bigger damages, aggravated damages, not only compensatory and punitive, but a third level of damages, aggravated damages, were spoken about, and that has created a great level of deterrence. Stronger contempt actions. You may have heard about the tree planting order, where the defendant was directed to plant 140,000 trees on the central ridge of Delhi for having committed contempt, which meant a win-win-win, not only for the public because of the pollution measure, but also because the plaintiff gained in the corporate social responsibility and the defendant was made to suffer. So it was win-win-win. Great order. Subtler and more nuanced arguments, like the standard essential patent FRAND cases and the recent lot of pharmaceutical cases. So we've done exceedingly well. We are truly grateful to the government for having provided the support in encouraging IP protection, and to our judges for upholding IP law in a very creative and innovative way. Second thought, of critical importance in all this is not so much the knowledge, information, data or analysis, but the attitude that judges, the government and the public at large had towards intellectual property. Attitude, a healthy attitude to protect intellectual property was the key. And third, how can this be enhanced or increased, this healthy attitude? And I take ceteris paribus, only one factor, although there are many, but just keeping all the others constant, I would say the sharing of success stories at conferences such as this has been a great encouragement, has provided great encouragement to people to protect their intellectual property. And this is wishing the conference a big success and a hope that a little of the great wisdom of our speakers will rub off on us. Thank you very much.